All right, guys, we are at the Linq strip, and we're gonna go up that Ferris wheel. The strip has a ton of stores, restaurants, dessert places, candy shop, a big one, 2 stories. Southwest Airlines! Oh look, zip lining.
Oh, cool.
Whoa. That's cool. That's fun. Oh, we are going inside the candy store. Taffy zone. All your taffy is over here. Here's some mugs. This is the biggest dum-dum I've ever seen. Oh, and then there's this. Just kidding. Did you finally just get it?
I finally heard what you said. My brain lags. So you might be right, actually.
Ooh, gummies.
Oh, look at all the Swedish fish.
The best gummies are the sour gummies. Whoa,
Ooh.
tropical gumdrops. Oh, we love these.
Oh, we love these.
We love these.
That's like what we got at the fair, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we love these.
Oh, those sour colas.
Yeah. Got sour cherry cola and then blue raspberry.
The addiction is real.
I want everything.
These lips look like something else. I love these. I love these. Ropes. Ropes.
Yum. Yum.
Yum. Yum. These are okay.
No. How many? Like that? More or less.
That's good. Get the tropical. I want to try that.
It's a lot harder to scoop than I was expecting. Is that good?
Which ropes did you want to get? We got strawberry banana,
Ew.
watermelon,
Watermelon could be good.
wild cherry, mango, watermelon.
Try some watermelon. We'll do 2.
Let's try a wild cherry.
Should we do 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else?
I think this should be good.
I think it should be good as well.
Ooh.
All right, here's the rest of the strip, extending all the way down to the Ferris wheel. And hopefully we get to go on it, and it's not too long of a wait.
I want to ride it so bad.
That's a pretty tall one.
It is.
And it's like gyroscoped. Oh, gyrosphere. So you're always facing up.
I've never ridden one that looks like that before, so I'm kind of excited to see what it looks like inside and like how the view is gonna look. Oh, it's a computer store, baby.
Yeah, peripherals and all.
That's cool. We came here once last time and it was at night, but at this point I couldn't appreciate how cool it was just because that was like at the end of the night. We were so exhausted.
Dude, look, there's a
Oh,
massive
they got
Christmas
the Christmas
tree.
decorations. I like the Christmas tree. Oh, they got Christmas decorations up there. Oh, this is gonna look so pretty at night.
Pizza, In-N-Out, and then a twist pastry.
Right next to the pond too.
It's on top of the pond.
Another bird attacking us.
So we're here at the front of the high roller, and look how freaking tall it is. It's so big.
Wow.
All right. Opens 2 p.m. to midnight.
What time is it?
So it opens in 30 minutes? Sweet. We are inside the high roller. There's a bar up here on the 2nd floor. Whoa, these things are massive.
Whoa. I wasn't expecting them to be that big. Like, I knew they were big, but this is huge.
Yeah. Oh, it moves. Nice. You want the window or?
No, you can hit the window, you're filming.
Okay. Oh, we made it on.
It's massive.
It's big. It's very big. All right, can't wait for the views. Look, there's a net right here just in case you miss your step and fall.
Which, you know, in Vegas, if you've had enough alcohol, is very likely.
Yeah. Look, and we're going up. Oh, you can see some of the zipline people.
Oh, that's cool.
Ah, bright lights. Here's the rear view.
There we go.
It's so bright. The view over here is pretty crazy. Obviously, this camera is a wide angle, so it's not going to be as good as your own eyes. But just looking straight over there, like, that's so freaking pretty. Over there, there's the airport. We're almost at the very tip top.
Yeah!
Almost at the very tip top. It's so sunny.
We're almost there.
We're almost at the tip top. Two.
Woohoo! Happy New Year! I mean, we're at the top.
550 feet.
Jeez. Yep, we're high. We're high.
at the end of our run. Sadly, have to get off.
30 minutes. It only took 30 minutes.
Damn, that's actually a long time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Overall, pretty good experience. Total time was 30 minutes.
Total height was 550 feet.
And that was the biggest capsule I've ever been in for a Ferris wheel. It was big.
Yeah, it was. It was fun though. Very pretty view.
Yeah. I can't imagine how hot it is in there in the summer.
Because it was already warm in there and it's like only 59 degrees here.
Yeah.
It was getting hot.
I think it's air conditioned, but only
like
slightly.
even then, I think in the summer they'd have to crank it.
Yeah. All right, so we actually got a drink from the bar, the High Roller souvenir cup, and we got the tropical roller, which is rum, pineapple juice, orange juice,
It was like mango rum,
and
triple sec.
yeah, and some fusion thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, how's it taste, baby?
Oh, that's yummy.
Yeah.
It's very fruity.
I love fruit.
That's dangerous.
Can you taste the rum?
Uh-huh. Barely, but I can taste it. I know they put a lot in. I watched them pour it. That is a dangerous drink right there, my friend.
Yeah, he was making it in front of us, and he was like, and half of it was
We were
rum.
just like,
Cool.
Okay, they're at the flamingo.
It's kind of like drinking grapefruit juice.
but not bitter. It's not
Yeah.
really that bitter.
Yeah.